I recently discovered a growing trend. There are faceless YouTube channels quietly earning between $5,000 and even $20,000 a month without ever showing their face or recording their voice. These aren't big influencers or celebrities. Many of them are anonymous creators using AI tools like ChatGPT, InVideo, and 11 Labs to automate almost everything. AI equals content, voice, video, and monetization. So I decided to investigate. How exactly are they doing it? How much are they actually making? And more importantly, could a beginner start the same way? Based on public income reports and analytics leaks, here's what I found. Motivational quote channels, earning between $3,000 to $10,000 per month from ad revenue alone. Finance and wealth fact channels, often $5,000 to $20,000 monthly, boosted by affiliate links. AI explainer channels, between $2,000 to $8,000 depending on upload frequency. These are faceless, fully automated. So, how are these videos actually made? Most channels, follow a simple 4-step AI content system. First, ChatGPT writes the script. Then, 11 Labs generates the voiceover. After that, InVideo AI turns it into a full video with stock clips and captions. Finally, a scheduler auto-posts it daily. No filming, no voice, no editing skills required. Here's where the money comes from. YouTube ad revenue makes up about 60%. Affiliate links account for 25%. Digital product or course offers bring in 10%, and sponsorships add the last 5%. Multiple income streams from just one channel. The answer is yes. But like anything real, it isn't instant. Most channels that succeed follow one simple rule: one video a day, for 60 to 90 days. Not complicated, just consistent. If I had to start from zero today and build a faceless AI channel from scratch, this is exactly how I'd do it. Step 1, choose a profitable niche. Wealth facts, success stories, AI tools, or money motivation. Step 2, gather 30 content ideas. Step 3, use ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and InVideo to automate production. Step 4, post daily and track what performs. Step 5, double down on what works and drop what doesn't. I'll be breaking down more real-world AI income systems, with proof and no hype. If you'd like to follow along, subscribe, and check the links below for the exact tools these channels are using. You don't need to be the most talented or the loudest, just the most consistent, with the right systems. See you in the next one.